Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
I, your Sahib, along with my co-host,
Abrar Ali.
are here again to extend our hearty welcome to Tarbiyah's 7th Grand Annual Celebration UDAAN
2022.
So, we bring you more energetic dances
Motivational speeches.
and power-packed performances.
So let's begin.
Abrar, hello. By the way, Abrar, for now we have seen action dances.
Yeah.
What about a speech?
Yeah, sure.
So, as the creation of the universe, we human beings have been given enough logic and reasoning power to realize our own creator.
So just to do the same, our colleague Farhana Khatun from grade 5M is invited on the stage to deliver a short speech on the topic Who is Allah, guided by Manjoor sir.
Give her a big hand with this poetry. तुम शौक से कॉलेज में पढ़ो, चर्ख पे झूलो, जायज़ है गुब्बारों पे उड़ो, पार्क में खेलो, पर एक सुखन बंदाए आजिज़ की रहे याद, अल्लाह को और अपने हकीकत को ना भूलो. So please welcome her with a huge round of applause on the stage.
Please.
Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, Honorable guests, parents, teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today I, Farhana Khatun, student of Standard 5. I am here to speak on this topic, who is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are talking about the Lord of worlds. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to the Lord of worlds. You know, we live in this dunya and we are fascinated with this dunya which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala indeed has created in a beautiful manner. We are fascinated that there are over billions of people who live in this dunya at this moment in time. Over 6 billions of people who live in this dunya at this moment in time. This dunya of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so big that there are space for billions and billions or more people. But what is this dunya in comparison to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? This dunya is insignificant. This dunya is meaningless. It means nothing. It is worthless, so worthless, compare it with the sun. The sun is one star. You know more science than me. You will be able to tell me better. Take this planet Earth and you place it inside the sun. You will be able to place 1.3 millions of Earths inside the sun. Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. The sun is one star. Only one star. There are stars out there which are millions of times bigger than the sun. Whatever you see above, when you raise your head, you can see the zillions and zillions of galaxies. Let me tell you, this is everything within the first heaven. And Allah is the creator of the 7 heavens. After the kursi of Allah, wasiya kursi samadi wati wal arji. And His kursi extends over the heavens and the earth. You all know the Ayatul Kursi. You all wrote the Ayatul Kursi. After the kursi of Allah, you have the chair of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wakana arjal al-mai, and his throne had been upon water. Rasulullah has explained, so just we can understand. Take a ring, place it in a desert. This time the ring is the kursi and the earth is the desert. What is the kursi in comparison to the earth? Nothing. Then you have the angels which carry the earth of Allah. Their head are in the 7th heaven and their feet are in the lowest earth. Then you have the Lord of earth and kursi. La tudrikul absar wa huwa yudrikul absar wa huwa latiful khaira. Vision perceives him not, but he perceives the vision. He is the subtible, the equine. He is beyond the size of Allah. Who Allah is, what Allah is. The greatness of Allah is beyond the comprehension of my little mind. This is the being that you and I are messing with. Here I conclude my speech. That's all for today. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.
Indeed, it was a great performance as expected by the students of class 3.
Of course it was. So, for now, the ball of managing the stage is in the court of our next captains. So it's not finished yet. They will bring on more power-packed performances. Stay tuned. So for now, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.